Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS so pages and widget options match. Go to Settings only if needed. Once ready, long press an empty area or an app until icons jiggle. This is called Edit Mode. Now drag an app toward the right edge of the screen to create a new home screen page, or tap the plus button to add widgets and fill the new page. Make sure to place essentials where you can reach them quickly with one hand. Once you have extra pages, focus on organization. Create folders by dragging one app onto another to reduce clutter, and name them clearly so you scan fast. Add widgets by tapping the plus icon. Pick small for compact glance information, medium for more content, and large for dashboards. Make sure to move frequently used apps to the first pages and less used ones to later pages. Finally, use the app library or page. To finish, tap Done and swipe through pages to confirm placements and widget interactions. You want smooth transitions and visible content. If you prefer, hide entire pages by entering Edit Mode, tapping the page dots and unchecking pages. This keeps them but removes them from swiping. If something goes wrong, restart the phone first. If apps seem missing, check the app library or reset home screen layout in Settings to restore defaults. One quick restart or a layout reset usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.